Anytime now. Oh, way to go. Final judgment from the outside by Darrell. Moving up is entry number 4, Hannah's Gold, in between runners. Entry number 8, and this one is Erica's Champ. It's now Hannah's Gold final judgment. Erica's Champ on the outside third. Hannah's Gold final judgment, fighting it out for the lead. And running in third, Erica's Champ, rushing up cheerleader. Dico Akalain running in fifth by the Wondrous Win. Leon Face on the outside. And at the fourth turn, final judgment by Anek. Hannah's Gold down on the inside. 3 lines corner back in third. Dico Akalain. Moving up Leon Face cheerleader as they race the final corner. It's Hannah's Gold by the final judgment on the outside. Final judgment once again on the outside. Hannah's Gold on the inside, fighting back. Hannah's Gold final judgment. Dico Akala in Leon Face and hitting the finish line. Hannah's Gold and at the payoff line. Hannah's Gold, final judgment, Dico Akala in Leon Face, Wondrous Win, and so it's you. Super 6.
Okay, 4, 13, 14.